Hey guys, I'm down in Canberra today for Floriade. Floriade is a flower festival that runs for about a month in early spring of every year, and it is held in Canberra's Commonwealth Park. Commonwealth Park is about a 10-minute walk from the city, and there are also numerous shuttle buses that run to Floriade from various locations. Entry into Floriade is free, and it is easily accessible for prams and wheelchairs via numerous gravel paths. There's also a little train that can take you around if you'd like. The theme for Floriade this year is science and nature, and each of the flower beds have been set up to represent something from this theme. There's also lots of little market stalls scattered around where you can stop and grab something to eat or drink or some local produce. Honestly, photos and videos don't do this place justice. It is just an explosion of colour everywhere you look, and it is so stunning. There is a kids' play area just off the main entrance to Commonwealth Park, and there's also a few carnival type rides you can purchase. One of these is the big Ferris wheel, which I think cost about $12 each, and while it is a little bit expensive, it does give you spectacular views from above of the flower beds. Here is the atom display from the air and also from the ground. For those that are interested, we've chosen to stay at Quest Canberra, which is nice and centrally located for Floriade. And while we're down this way, we'll be taking the opportunity to visit Tulip Top Gardens on the way home, which is located about 20 minutes outside of Canberra. I'll pop up a separate video for that one. The Granger Gallery is a good spot to look at some paintings and some sculptures, and also a number of the pieces here are for sale. The deck on the Granger Gallery gives you a bit of elevation, which is another great way to see some of the flower arrangements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.